Hi, so today I'm going to show you my new headphone stand. I do record music a lot and I do use my headphones, and I have no place to place it on my desk, on my music desk. So I decided to purchase this new elegant headphone stand, and it comes in a nice packaging. It comes with a screw and a screwdriver especially made for it. This is the stand where you sit it on the desk. This one here. So this is the base. And you need to see this hole. You need to insert this stick. Well, it takes time to unwrap the stick. It's very well packaged. So what you need to do is to grab this and turn it inside this hole here, and then you will use the screw and the screwdriver to screw it from beneath here, okay? But we need to first make sure we have it on the correct direction. So let's open the screw and the screwdriver. So you see how the hole is a little bit bigger from down here, and it's like expanded so that when you insert that screw, it just goes flat on it. So this is the lower side of the base, and this is the top side of the base. You need to pay very well attention to where you are directing the base. So we will insert the screw from here, and I'm gonna try to turn it a little bit from here to kind of fix it, and then I'm gonna hold and I'm gonna tighten it. Woo! You can tighten the screw by turning this and putting your hand so you can block it from rotating. Make sure before you tighten the stand and the screw is to align the top piece with the base piece, so it is like this, facing forward together. And now I will be placing my headphones on it. This looks super elegant. I'll show you how it turned out all together on my desk in a minute. Stay tuned. So here is my finished look item. This headphone stand, it's made of sturdy walnut wood. You can feel how sturdy the wood is. And aluminum alloy, it the size of it is 11.8, so basically you can use it to put large size of headphones. You can use it for the Apple headphones, for the Galaxy, for the Sony, any kind of headphones. And here how it looks on mine. It's actually very sturdy and it's kind of lightweight but steady, so when you place it on the desk it stays there, and it's very, very elegant, and it doesn't take up much time from your desk. As you see, like, my desk is not too big, so you can just place it here, use the headphones, and then put them back. It just stays in place. Very sturdy, very nice. I believe like the width here is 7.8 inches. So here's how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed my little video of this little quality headphone stand made of walnut wood and aluminum alloy. Thank you for watching.